definitely 2 chicks.
Oh yeah, you can see the 2 other eggs.
She just pulled the egg back underneath her from around the other side.
She's pulled it back in?
The egg was near the hatch and she just reeled it back in and she's sitting back on it.
Oh good, well that's good news.
And she's not feeding the others. Yeah. He's got a big fat belly. Look at the size of his belly underneath here.
One at a time. One at a time.
Oh. Hello. Are you in focus?
Yeah.
Hello.
Okay. That's number 1. Yeah, that's number 1.
Number 2.
That's number 2. And that's number 3. Oh, look.
This is baby one. This is baby one. Hello, little fella. Little crown. Hello, little fella. This is number 2. Hello, little fella. This is number 3. He's tiny. Or she. I'm able to take these out the nest. The mum and dad don't care. They're nice and quiet. I'm just going to handle them and let them get used to my smell.
Look at you. You're going to be all yellow. Yellow and black. Look, it's hanging on already. Look at you. Look at your belly. Oh my God. Hey, oh my God. Oh, the belly's so warm. Oh, look at that. The belly's so warm.
Lift the bird up so we can see the belly.
Oh, look at that. Oh. They're hanging on to the fingers, yeah. Oh my God. Hey, look at
get the little one out and put it in next to that big.
Oh, it's so tiny.
Hasn't got any colour.
No. No, look at you. Look, it's got a yellow crown coming. This one's got a black one. Yeah. Hello.
Can you get the third one in your hand?
No, it's too many.